Yan guys, tapos na kami magbakal. Electrical na lang. Abang na guys ng electrical. Buhusan ko lang yan ang manigbakal namin guys. Grabing gwapo yan guys oh. Kaway-kaway mo na boy. Dito may utility box tayo guys. Hagdan guys, hagdan. Yun. Practice na electrical guys.